Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I bought a iPhone 7 from TaoBao. Now what is TaoBao? TaoBao is basically Chinese wish. Yes, you can find like those weirdest shit on this platform. So yeah, I bought this iPhone 7. I opened it to check if it's iPhone 7 inside because I bought a lot of things. Yeah, so yeah, let's open this up. Yeah, I opened this up already to check, but I haven't touched anything else. So let's get this away. And oh, here's the iPhone 7. Okay, let's put other things away. And here it gives me a charging cable, and I'll just put it away. Yeah, so basically it's the phone. Let me like clean it real quick because it's from, oh my. Okay, let's clean this real quick. Actually, I like this black. Oh my gosh, look at this. Why is there some, is this scratch or just filth? I don't know, let's just clean this up first. Yeah, I think it's just filth. Yeah, I can like, are this filth? Huh, it looks like it is. I just woke up and this is my morning voice. It seems so weird. Come on. Ugh. Okay, come on. I'm gonna cut this video, I guess. Until hey, you cut this until after I finish cleaning it. Okay, I'm back. I thought it is filth, but it's a plastic like cover. Yeah, I think it's just a plastic cover or something like that. As you can see, there's like this thing right here. I think it's just something you can peel off. Okay, back. And I don't know, I don't care first. Let's just put her up first. Yeah, just basically iPhone 7. What's this? Oh, it's Sage. If you peel this off, it doesn't work or something like that. And yeah, here's the unlock button and home button. And yeah, actually like this black. I didn't pick the color, it just randomly gave me this. Yeah, let's boot her up. Oh, Apple logo. Okay, let's compare it to the 6. Or it's boot up, but yeah, let's compare it to the 6. It's the same size, it has a bigger camera, Apple logo, and it doesn't have this much like logos or shit on it. And yeah, it's basically the same. So let's see. This is okay. Let's go back. Okay, so here's it, and yeah, let's take a look at this. I think it's on iOS 14 or 15. I'm not sure. Let's take a look at it. What and where is it? Let me change the language first. How to change the language? This one. Let's change it to English. Okay, it's English. And yeah, let's take a look at this. What iOS is this on? About, it's an iPhone. It's on 15.7. What's the latest OS. I'm 15 or 16. I forgot. Because I switched to Android, so I don't really care about them right now. So yeah, it's the iPhone 7. It's this serial number. It's not F. Is it normal? I actually forgot. I remember the first letter means something. I'm not sure. But yeah. No, nothing. Applications, one applications. It's a very 2 GB version, and yeah, no carrier. And yeah, let's take a look at these. Okay, it's on airplane mode, but okay. I'ma fix them later. What's new and yeah, photos, no photos, and camera. Let's take a look at camera. Okay. Actually has camera because I saw the comment saying, "Oh no, there's no camera, there's no blah 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 inside." So, yeah, it actually has one. Oh no, you see me, I haven't tidy. Okay, yeah, let's look at Mel. Okay, maybe I just reset at some point because I think this is a Chinese version instead of like Hong Kong version or other version. Because Chinese version has like cut some of the functions or features. Like I don't think they can download like Facebook or something like that. So by the way, let's just reset this. I don't want maybe this thing has some kind of like I don't know things. Let's reset this. Reset all settings. Reset all settings. Reset all settings. Okay, so it seems this working. Yeah, if I find a way to like clean this thing, or can I just peel this off? Or is it just I don't know. Oh no. There's some kind of layer on the camera. I think there's something on the camera. Oh, it's just really filthy. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, it's resetted. Okay. Oh, a circular issue. Oh, so like it's been blocked. It's IMEI SIM blocked, so you can't insert a SIM to like go online because of like maybe someone didn't pay his SIM card or his phone plan for a long time, so maybe the circular like company just blocked this phone to go online or like to make phone calls. Yeah, I think so because I've watched Playmore 124's video. He gave his friend his iPhone 8 and also it says it's IMEI blocked, but I should search like if this IMEI blocked. Let's go to Google. Hi, it's my iPod Touch. I'll make a video about this iPod Touch in the future, and let's take a look. It's IMEI, so I don't actually care about this phone. So I forgot something like that. Not this one. I remember there's a way to okay, let's just search IMEI in settings. Continue IMEI. No. Okay, let's go online. Okay, it's actually this one, and I just tried. It doesn't work. So it It doesn't have an IMEI? I don't know. So yeah, maybe I will just use it as a iPod Touch in the future. And what is this? What's AS2 Pro? What is this? Allow? Huh? So wait, is this like some kind of jailbreak tool? I know, because like when I just turn this on, it's here already, but I reset it. But why is it still here? Why is it a pre-install app on this iPhone? Let's search online too. I don't know actually. AS2 Pro. So I think it's a note-taking app. Oh my. There's AS2 Pro. Yeah. Me too, 700 people. Okay, so yeah, I think I just don't care about this, and I want to peel this off because it's so ugly. Oh no, oh no, oh no. No, why is it so... Bruh. Why'd you do this to me? Okay, I'll clean this later. Bruh. So yeah, let's explore this phone. Yay. Again. So yeah, mail, notes. Is there any notes on here? Okay, no notes. So podcast, Safari, no Safari, message, okay, music, any music, no music, weather, no weather. Maybe we should open this thing up. I know, but... And yeah, this is my first iPhone with this 3D, like, what's the thing called? I don't know, just a virtual home button, because I have iPhones like have real buttons, and because my second iPhone, my first iPhone is a 6S Plus, which has a virtual button, and my second iPhone is a 10S, and then it's a 10. So so I've never used this kind of like virtual button thingy or something like that. So yeah, and by the way, I should check the SIM card slots. Where's my tools? Where's my tools? Oh no, I lost my tools. Let me find real quick. Oh, here it is. Why is it here? It just teleports here. I didn't get it. Huh? Blurry. It's real. I didn't like set this thing up, but yeah, let's... There's no SIM card in it. Okay. So maybe we should open this up. Should we? Yeah, let's open this up. And I think I can do some, like, you know, jailbreak or something like that, or just like I turn this off. Okay. Slide to power off. I really like this flag. Okay. Yeah. So where's my tools? This video is not sponsored by Capper Sky, but yeah, I only have this tool. Okay, so star, where's the star one? This one? Or this one? I think it's this one. Let's get this dingus. Okay, let's... Wait, someone has been here? Was it red, yellow? I don't care, but yeah, let me just open this up. Unscrew. This here. Hope I won't lose it, but unscrew. I become phone repair guru, but yeah. Unscrew. Okay, actually the tool. Detach the screen. It would be really funny if. Let me find out. Yes. How did I? God damn it. Okay, I can't. I gave up. I'm not a repair. I can't repair things. So sad. Yeah, let's put this back. And yeah, that's much it for this boring video. And I'll see you guys next time. And I think I'll unscrew this back. Screw this back. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye. Bye.